marble run. Viewers, look at this marble run. So look, here, this is gonna be the marble run. Oops. Wait. So incredible, right? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. That's so incredible. That's so incredible, right? Well, you don't think it's as much as incredible sometimes, but things can be so incredible. Like and subscribe to my channel.